Hi students, this question is based on formal charge concept. I brought you a new formula for calculating the formal charge. Which of the following structures is the most preferred and hence of lowest energy for SO3? What he is asking here? Lowest energy for SO3. It means most stable structure of SO3. How to find out the most stable structure using the formal charge concept? How you are going to find out the formal charge is equal to valence electrons minus lone pair electrons minus number of covalent bond. This is the formula. Now for each atom you have to find out the formal charge and you have to look that structure in which this formal charge rules are followed. That will be the most stable structure. Now one rule is that structure in which the formal charges sum is either 0 or close to 0, that is minus 1 plus 1, that is very close to 0, is most stable structure. Second rule is if negative formal charge is there, that should be present on the more electronegative atom, and if the opposite formal charges are present, they should be close, and if the like formal charges are there, that should be as far as possible. That will be the most stable structure. Now if you calculate the formal charge of this oxygen, formal charge is equal to how many valence electrons are there in oxygens? 6 minus lone pairs. This one line represent here one lone pair, like that here 3 lines represent 3 lone pairs, students. So 2 lone pairs means he is what asking lone pair of electrons, not lone pairs. So 2 into 2, 4 minus how many covalent bonds this oxygen is making? 2. So this comes to 0. Then what's the formal charge here? Formal charge is equal to 6 valence electrons minus lone pair electrons 2. 6 minus 1 bond, nothing but minus 1. This is also same. Formal charge is minus 1. Now what about here? Formal charge 0. Doubly bonded oxygen 0. Here singly bonded oxygen minus 1. Here sulfur. Formal charge is equal to sulfur 6 valence electrons minus number of valence electrons, lone pair of electrons 2 minus covalent bonds 1, 2, 3. So 6 minus 2 is 4 minus 3 is plus 1. Now here this is the wrong structure because this is SO4. What is given? SO3. Now here doubly bonded oxygen, formal charge 0, sulfur 6 valence electrons minus 0 lone pair of electrons minus 6 bonds, nothing but 0. So in all these 4 structures, if you sum the formal charges in the last option, sum of formal charges is 0, 0 plus 0. So total 0. So answer is this one.